Hey, and welcome to Yada Crypto. In this video, we're looking at a mining project. So this is actually a company that got started recently, and they have bought this massive 40,000 square foot state-of-the-art, you can see down here, 20 megawatt facility in Buenos Aires that will have the capacity to host thousands of miners. So we're going to be looking at this project and how you can earn Bitcoin by investing in this Bitcoin mining company. Now, there are a few things that I want to point out first in this project. So first of all, this is the last chance for you to get involved with this project. They're minting NFTs right now. That's how you get involved with it, by investing in it, and then you get a return on that based upon their return. And so far, they've already raised 1.6 million from minting NFTs. $1 million of miners have already been ordered. And one thing that really sets this project or this company apart from other mining companies is that where they're located here in Buenos Aires, they have a huge advantage in electricity costs. So where it's around 2 cents a kilowatt an hour versus America, which is around 10 cents. So it's just a fraction of the cost they have to pay in electricity, which means their profit's going to be much more. Plus, they're also taxed a lot less on mining Bitcoin than what they are in the US and some other places of the world. Most of the money from minting is going to be used to buy miners, and you can expect a return rate, depending on the price of BTC, from 12% to 15% a month. They locked in their price of buying these Bitcoin miners, and the ones they're going to be using are the SJ19 Pro Plus miners at just $1,600 a piece. Now, to invest in this, there's 4 different NFTs. They do range from $500 to $5,000, and only the $5,000 Platinum NFT gives you access to buy 10 miners, and you can also host yourself plus get BTC mining profits. Now, the CEO of this company, and I'll put the links for this below the video, but down here you can see that these are the NFTs you can invest in. There's a bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, and depending on which one, you can see the prices of them here: 500, 1,000, 2,000, and 5,000. And one thing you got to keep in mind is that their profitability is going to be based a lot upon the price of Bitcoin. And we all know the Bitcoin halving is coming up next year. They're saying around April, May, sometime in that time. And before that, if you look over the history of Bitcoin, it usually skyrockets. So the more Bitcoin goes up, the higher their profits are going to be, the higher your monthly rewards are going to be. Now, this here is Patricio, and he is the CEO and founder of this new Bitcoin mining company. And he has a full interview at this link right here on this YouTube video from Dow King. I'll put this link below the video if you want to go listen to it. This is him right here. And they talk and break down everything and explain how this is all going to work, what they've done so far, and what to expect. And this guy here, Dow King, he's actually investing in this project. It's either $50,000 or $100,000. So this can be a huge opportunity for those of you who want to get involved in this. But like I mentioned earlier, the minting of these NFTs, I believe they said, ends on June the 7th. Now, I want to jump over to their white paper and cover a few things so you have a better understanding of this. And it says here that this is the first Argentine mining Bitcoin company. And they're setting this up in a way so where investors can earn Bitcoin themselves when they invest into them. It says down here, we will be showing extensive invoices and plans showing how the mining operations works. The team will be fully KYC'd by truth seekers. Here's a couple images of the facility that they've already purchased, 40,000 square feet that they're working on to get this mining operation set up. And then one of their main advantages I mentioned earlier is the cost of their electricity. And it says here that FAMCO has already negotiated an incredible industrial electrical rate of under 2 cents per kilowatt an hour. This is among the lowest in the world. And based on the 1,000 miners that they're going to have, the S19J Pro Plus miners, you can see the daily profit would be around 0.3 BTC a day, or 8,810 US dollars. And so based on this price here, the estimated monthly earnings would be 0.3 BTC a day, times it by 30 days, they'd get about 9 Bitcoin a month, or $256,000. And then so much of that is going to go back to the investors every single month, depending on which NFT they minted. And so you can look at their white paper and learn more about the minting and the different tiers that they have, as well as some FAQs. So if you're a believer in Bitcoin and if you have high expectations for it over the next few years, then this may be a company that you want to invest in. But keep in mind, guys, anything with crypto and any type of an investment does carry a risk. So be smart about your investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. So I'll put the link below the video if you want to come here and check it out. You can see their NFTs, their roadmap, their white paper. You can buy their NFTs here. Just click it. You want to connect your wallet. And down here, you can see where you can purchase with USDC or credit card, how many ever you want. And then you simply choose whether you want the bronze, silver, gold, or platinum. And then that will make you an investor in this project where you can earn back monthly rewards based upon their profit.